This is how Deejay Zaca makes beats from Ntate Stunna. Make sure your BPM is 100. I started off with these chords and they're in D minor. This is the first chord. I just took the note and took it down an octave. So it sounds like this. After that, I did a different instance of the bell for another section of the beat. For some texture, I added another bell. After that, I added these strings from Nexus. I did a lot of these instances of the same strings. So next I took this pad from Nexus and layered it with the bells. I went and did another string from Nexus but on the lower notes. After that, I played these Rhodes one-shot key. It sounds dope, right? After that, I added some other strings for the hook. So I also layered another pad just to fill up some frequencies. Then I went and did this choir. Be sure guys to play with the velocities, especially on the lower notes, because with the choir they sound the loudest. Basically now I'm done with the melody, so let's go to the drums. With the drums I went and did this tambourine. Just generic with a lot of few changes here and there. Then after that I went and backed it up with a hi-hat. Just like that. I went and did the kick. So know that the kick is one element that is important making this type of beats. Remember, all these sounds that I'm using are in the drum kit. And after that I went and did this bass. So I play with the slides here just to make it a little bit interesting. After that I went and did the generic snare. Then added some bongo. Then I added some toms. Then added this cowbell. Then another bongo. Okay, so guys, I have this idea. So I'm planning to drop all the FLPs of the beats that I'm breaking down here, and I'm gonna do that through a membership program that I'm trying to create. If I do create the program, how many of you guys will join? Leave a comment below. After that, I did the 808. Now this is the important section of the beat. So with the 808, I played with it. You know you gotta play with the 808 and did some slides. So this sounds like this. This is the 808 that carries the beat. At this point I'm done with the beat, so I just had to add some percussions, some FXs, some drum fills, and arrange the beat. Here's the end result.
Trinity, you are God.
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and if you really like this video, leave a comment. And remember, always keep it simple. Bye.